Hello everyone, Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services and with you with the market outlook for the week. And as we saw on Friday last week, we did see some recovery in the market by the time we did close the trade. But as we get back to trade this Monday morning this week, there has been concern global as well as uh, uh, local concerns in terms of the news. Uh, we did see Asian markets open up with a little bit of negative bias, and that's what exactly reflect in our markets as well. Just to familiarize you with the levels that are right now on the Sensex Nifty and Nifty Bank. So Sensex is down about 760 points, 57,430. Nifty down about 220 points, 17,090. Nifty Bank down about 445 points. Levels are 38,730. On the currency, well, down and out rupee against the dollar. Lowest level in historical times. 82.38 is the level of rupee against the dollar. And on the energy basket, well, after seeing a 5-week high, we have cooled off today. Brent is at about $97 per barrel, and NYMEX is at $91.80 a barrel. The spike, as we all know, is primarily because of the decision to cut production by OPEC Plus. Almost about 20 lakh barrels per day is the production cut effective November, and possibly you will see a little bit of more pain in crude oil prices as we go forward from here on. Remains to be seen what decision is likely to be taken in terms of other contributors. But yes, there is a concern. And remember one thing, large supplies are constrained because of various issues, be it Russian crude oil and gas, be it Iranian crude oil and gas, or be it Venezuelan crude oil being impacted in terms of supplies. And on the flip side, if OPEC Plus nations have to cut 20 lakh barrels per day, then definitely that is going to have a sizable amount of impact on the upside as far as the international crude oil prices are concerned. On the other triggers, well, today there is going to be a curtain raiser. Earnings will start unfolding for the second quarter with TCS announcing its numbers post market hours. And then you will have other companies following. Our view is that possibly this could help find some direction to our markets or some stability, if you will, if the earnings for the second quarter of this financial year are a little bit shade better or a bit better than expectation. I'm not talking about any specific sector, but I'm talking about overall. So when you have, and if you recollect in our earlier conversations, we had mentioned that there is a range bound trade in the markets. On the lower side, we have mentioned 17,000, 17,300. That's where exactly we are trading. Now on the higher side, where we've been a couple of times, 17,800, 18,000 is the overhead supply zone. So the fact that we are trading at the lower end of the market, it's only prudent to have some kind of confidence in terms of allocating your capital towards equity market and buying some quality names. And we've been giving out two names every time we interact with you all. So this week, what we have identified is two names from the broader markets, mid-cap universe, if you will. The first one is from the retail fashion side, Aditya Birla Fashion Limited. And the second one is from the infrastructure side, which is PNC Infratech. We believe that both these companies will play a significant role in terms of whatever growth prospects are there as we go forward from here on. And our sense is that with the earnings unfolding, we should possibly see a little bit of more stability. In effect, what I'm trying to say is that lower levels from the current level where we are trading on the Sensex Nifty or Nifty Bank looks limited. And with domestic data points, I think we could see a lot of stability coming back as far as Indian equity markets are concerned. So possibly there will be some amount of consolidation over here. I don't expect any major sell-off or any major up move, but prudent to expect consolidation at these levels so that the higher levels are more durable and long lasting as and when we see the recovery coming into the market. So be patient, but try to avoid short to medium term trades. From a long term perspective, as always, we've been advising to buy some quality names and stay invested. And with that view, two names from the broader markets, as I mentioned earlier, Aditya Birla Fashion Limited and PNC Infratech. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.